everyone, welcome to another edition of Plant Talk. In this video I'm going to talk about the courgette or zucchini. Courgettes belong to the same family as pumpkins, melons, squashes and cucumbers. This is the cucurbita family. We sowed courgette seeds in a small pot filled with compost. It took a couple of weeks for the seed to germinate. After the plant was 4 to 6 inches tall, we transferred it into the open soil. The plant likes to spread out like you see here. You can notice the courgette leaves have jagged edges and spikes behind the leaves and on the stems. Since we have grown both courgette and pumpkins, I noticed that the courgette plant do not have as many spikes as the pumpkin plant. These spikes are the plant's way to protect itself and its fruits from slugs and snails. There are separate male and female flowers on a courgette plant. They are easy to identify. The male flower has a long stalk, while there is a small elongated fruit under the female flower, as you can see here. Once the female flower is successfully pollinated, the courgette grows bigger and bigger. We hand-pollinated our female flowers. If you want to know more about hand pollination, watch my pumpkin video. The link is in the description box below and in the top right corner. Courgettes can be eaten raw in the salad, deep fried, as well as the super healthy version of spaghetti, courgette. Speaking of super healthy, courgettes have no cholesterol and are a favourite among the low-carb diets. The flowers too are edible and they taste delicious when stuffed or fried as fritters. We harvest the courgettes when young. If we left the courgettes for long on the plant, it would keep growing and become a marrow, as you can see here. Since we prefer the taste of courgettes over marrows, we will harvest it now. I love to eat ratatouille made from our homegrown courgettes. They taste out of this world and so much better than the supermarket bought one. Did you know, although we classify the courgette as a vegetable, it is botanically a berry? This is why the species is called Cucurbita pepo. And that's all I have on courgettes or zucchinis. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press like and share this video. Bye!